Good morning, children. Today we will study about type of meals. Children, we eat 4 types of meal during a day. In the morning, we eat breakfast. In the noon, we eat lunch. In the evening, we eat snacks. And at the night, we eat dinner. Now, children, can you guess what is the proper time of dinner? The proper time of dinner is between 7 to 8. Now, children, tell me, when do you eat lunch? We eat lunch in the afternoon. Children, what is the name of the meal which we eat in the night? The name of the meal which we eat in the night is called dinner. Now, children, what do we eat in the morning? We eat our breakfast in the morning. Let's revise. There are 4 types of meal: the breakfast, the lunch, the snacks, the dinner.